Hi guys, if you're looking to improve your external hip rotation, hopefully you've seen a 90-90 before, and that would be if your knee was somewhere up around your face, you'd be really struggled here, your glutes would be really tight, and we want to fix that. So happily, what we can do is take the back leg out of the equation. So JP has brought his shin in, so that takes away the internal rotation. What he's going to do now is put his hands, one beside his foot, one on the outside of the knee. From here, look how he's lifted the chest up as tall as he can, and he slowly starts to bring himself forwards towards the floor. So JP's trying to get his sternum way in front here. He's not rounding his back and bringing his sternum down. So you need to make sure you're not just getting like a lower back stretch from this. So you're looking to feel this in the hip and in the glute as you do this. So you're going to hold this for around 1 minute, and every 20 seconds, take a deep breath out and try and sink yourself in a little bit further. Make sure you do it on both sides, do both sides, and retest the movement that you struggle with to see if you've made any improvement afterwards. For bonus tips throughout the day as well, when you're sitting in a chair, try and get into that external hip rotation. It all adds up. Work on this as often as you can until it feels hunky-dory.